Kagame is the biggest problem we have in Africa. So Kagame is a Western puppet. He's the puppet for the Western countries, okay? So these people are using Kagame to get the minerals in where? In Congo, because Congo is very rich in minerals, okay? So in return, okay, Kagame is getting aid, money and everything from these Western countries, okay? And also, Kagame is getting backup. He's getting machinery, whatever, guns and everything that is supporting the M23 in the DRC, okay? So Kagame is the biggest problem of Africa. If Kagame can just go, then we will have peace as Africa. We will be able to stand on our own. Let me tell you, Africa is rich. We have minerals. We have everything we need. But we cannot have this because of the leaders. Okay? This is the reason why these Western countries, the globalists, cannot allow, okay, cannot allow Pan-Africanists like Raila Amolo Odinga and the rest to lead these countries, because then they will not allow these people to take our minerals from us. We are poor, yet we are the richest, because these countries are taking from us, are stealing from us, are robbing us, okay? So please, before you yap in the comment section, just know that I am informed. I'm not a puppet.
Kagame is a villain. He is evil. He is quite literally a dictator that rigs elections consistently, but do you see them say anything about it? That's your first sign that he's a crook. Your second sign is the fact that Rwanda is exporting billions of dollars worth of tantalum and cobalt, and yet there's not a single tantalum or cobalt mine in the country. Guess where it comes from? Congo. And what's happening in Congo right now? Is there no conflict? Do you see where I'm going with this? Kagame is actively stoking up conflict in Congo in order to steal billions of dollars worth of resources to now export. And people in your plavos believe that Rwanda is the Singapore of Africa. It's a free country. Cleanest city in Africa. No, that's all the media perspective that are trying to develop in your mind to try and distract you from the reality on ground. If we want to free Congo, we have to get rid of Kagame.
Dictator. I would not consider Kagame a benevolent dictator. Not in any way or in any manner.
What do you think about him?
Come on. Kagame has never ever championed for the interests of the people of Rwanda. Kagame has always been an asset, a very critical asset for the strategic point Rwanda is located to the heart of Africa. You know, the heart of Africa is DRC, the richest country in earth. Strategically, Rwanda has been very important there. That in any time, people who have access to these resources do not get them, Rwanda will always play a part to make sure that they have access to those resources. The destabilization of DRC. And that is why I would never ever say that Kagame is benevolent. The only reason why Kagame has not been bashed internationally as a dictator by the same people who bash other presidents as dictators is because he clearly and well serves their interest, if you think of it. Why is it that
the gateway for the gold in Congo?
Why is it that we bash Kim Jong-un so much more than Kagame? And they're literally the same. They haven't given an opportunity for their citizens to democratically elect their leaders. Even Kagame himself is suppressing the freedom of people from vying or speaking against him. But why is it that internationally we have created this propaganda that Kim Jong-un is such a bad person? And why is it that we cannot do the same for a person like Kagame? The capitalist West does not have any problem with you being a dictator. The only question is, are you serving their interest? So if a dictator is serving the interest of the West and not the people, you can never call them a benevolent dictator. Never.
Pan-African lifestyle.
Advertise with Pan-African Lifestyle and connect with a highly engaged global Black audience of over 500,000 followers and subscribers across major social media platforms, with a monthly reach of up to 25 million across the continent and the diaspora. Our audience is inspired by the African dream, rooted in the essence of Pan-Africanism and the values that drive progress and pride across the motherland. Partnering with PAL offers brands, public figures, and organizations a unique opportunity to reach a powerful, culture-driven market that embraces Afrocentric values and forward-thinking change. To explore advertising opportunities, visit panafricanlifestyle.com or email info@panafricanlifestyle.com.